All right, I'm in the land of paint. So whenever we start the painting process in a home for woodwork, we have 21 steps. We've talked about that. So again, just to make it simple, there's caulking, there's wood filling, there is sanding, there's dusting, there's vacuuming, then there's priming, maybe 2 coats of primer. And so now we're looking at Bondo. So we've primed all of the woodwork. And the red stuff here is Bondo, and we're going back and we're touching up all of the areas that need touching up, because again, our goal is a glass-like finish for paint. I want this super smooth, super clean. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to Bondo this, we're going to sand it, we're going to dust it, we're going to vacuum it, and then we're ready to apply our finish coat. So we're using water-based paint in this home for many, many reasons, but I'm just mentioning that now. We want this house to be able to breathe a little bit. So we use water-based paint on everything. Okay, so one of the things that I asked my painter was, hey, when you primed this initially, this was all raw back here, okay? Why is this raw? And he said, well, Erin, since we're not painting the inside of these drawers, because these drawers are UV plywood, they're already pre-finished, done. He said, I needed to cover this drawer, and now I can spray the backside of this drawer with primer. And I said, okay, that's awesome. I just learned something new today. So that's what's going on here. These are shelves. We take all of our shelves and doors off of the built-ins, and we spray them and work on them independently. And you can see the front side and the back side are important to us, right? The front side of a door, the back side of a door, the top, the sides, whatever, everything is really important to us, and we want to treat it as if everything is visible at all points of the day, and it needs to look pristine.